I've been working for a couple of years on a book about Americans' attitudes towards taxes over time. The 1930s were a time when most of the taxes that we pay today were instituted. That's also the era in which mass opinion polls started. Attitudes towards taxes vary quite a bit. They vary across time, they vary across different types of taxes, and they vary across different kinds of people. It's really up to politicians to be responsible about how they talk about taxes, and one could argue that in the current debate there's a lot of obfuscation going on. So that's part of what I'm trying to unpack in this book. Political science is a study of politics, which is the struggle over scarce resources. A field like history can tell us how do we come to this position of having scarce resources. Economists can tell us how scarce are the resources. Political science is more about what are the competing interests that groups bring to the political arena, who has more influence and why, what are the barriers to change, and then what are the consequences of that. Those are the kinds of questions that political scientists are interested in. MIT as a place to do work is very attractive. The Institute in general has a strong interest in public policy. In terms of the department, it's very non-hierarchical. People, whether they're graduate students or faculty at any level, are fully integrated, talking with each other, sharing ideas. It's a very productive atmosphere in that sense. Graduate school is really an apprenticeship. Working as a research assistant, co-authoring a paper with a professor, you learn really how this profession works, how academia works, what it takes to be a successful professor in terms of producing scholarship, writing papers, and so on. And here we really give students that hands-on experience.